Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm going to make a slightly different video. It's about a tutorial. So I want to show you about how to show your internet speed over here at the bottom right corner, or if you're on your default screen, it should be like this, right? So you want to have the upload and download speed to be shown over here. I mean at the bottom right of your display, like this. So how to install this? Oh, wait a second. Why is it on Google? Okay, there it is. All right. So you only have to install this NetSpeedMonitor on Windows PC. This app is actually for Windows 7, but you can install it in Windows 10 too. No need to worry about that. Ouch. All right. Um. So how should I install it? Okay, let me download it right here. Wait a second. Why is it this way? No. Click the button below. It should be this one. Why is it? Okay, there it is. Nice. My bad. There is a bunch of ads. I haven't deactivated the ads yet. Okay, either way, I already installed this. NetSpeedMonitor. Let me get this. Operating system not supported. Okay, basically you will get this error if you try to install it directly like that. So how to fix that? It's pretty easy. Let me show you this way. Okay, first let's open the Windows Explorer. You got this, and then properties. Go to compatibility and no. Run this program. No, not like that. Okay, there it is. Run this program in compatibility mode for previous version of Windows. NetSpeedMonitor. Okay, there we go. We're finally able to open this. Nice. I accept the blah blah blah. Let's just skip this. I think I'm gonna put it to the default. To my to uh default directory. Okay, let's finish this. How about if I open the NetSpeedMonitor? Oh, it's not yet open. I guess I have to go here. I guess to the directory you installed NetSpeedMonitor, and by default it's here. Local disk, program files, NetSpeedMonitor. Okay, let's try to open this and save. Okay, looks like we're good to go now. Now let's see. Speedtest.net. Like for example, if you're doing speed test, the speed will be shown here. Okay, it's still 0 kilobit per second, right? I think you need to change the configuration to your internet device. Now it's gonna be shown here. There we go. We got this. This is not always 802.11n USB wireless LAN card. This is kind of exceptional. It's the the network interface is based on what are you using by default instead of this one. This one means that you're going to connect your internet from the Ethernet. Since now I'm using Wi-Fi, that's why it's not detected. Wait a second. It's still here, right? Okay, I'm using USB wireless LAN card, so let's just apply this and the internet speed will be shown here. Okay, let's try it once more. Since I'm using Telcom. There it is. It's 4 kilobyte, I mean 4 megabytes per second, and it will be converted to around 35 megabit per second. You know 1 megabyte is 8 megabits, right? Okay, I guess that's it for my tutorial right now. Thank you guys for watching and see you on my next content. Peace out.